In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product in Salesforce Lightning. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply refreshing your skills, I'm here to guide you through this straightforward process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Salesforce and locate the app launcher. It's usually represented by a grid of small squares in the top left corner of the interface. Give that a click and then you'll need to navigate to the products section. This is where the magic starts. It's the hub for creating and managing your product details. Once you're in the products area, look for a button labeled new. Clicking this will launch a blank new product page ready for you to fill in with all your product's details. It's the starting point for creating a new product record in Salesforce. Now let's talk about the fields you'll need to fill out. The first one is the product name. Make sure to enter the name of your product here. It's important to be clear and specific since this name will appear in lists and reports. Next, you'll notice a field for the product code. While this is optional, it can be quite useful for quick identification, especially if you have a large number of products. If relevant, go ahead and enter a code that makes sense for your organizational system. Moving on, you'll see fields for product family and category. This is where you'll choose the classifications for your product. By grouping similar products, you make them easier to find for both you and your team, streamlining the sales process. Now let's provide a description. Your description should be detailed enough to give anyone an understanding of what your product is about without being overwhelming. Think about including essential characteristics, potential uses, and anything else that distinguishes this product from others. There's also a checkbox titled Active. Checking this box is crucial. It indicates that your product is available for use within your Salesforce environment. If this box is left unchecked, the product won't be active and visible when you're managing sales opportunities or orders. Finally, once you've carefully entered all the necessary information, it's time to save your new product record. Look for a Save button, typically found in the lower corner of the page. Make sure everything is accurate before hitting Save to ensure that you don't run into issues later on. That's it. You've successfully created a new product in Salesforce Lightning. By following these steps meticulously, you can efficiently manage your product offerings in Salesforce, enhancing both organization and accessibility. Thank you for following along and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.